She missed you. She missed you.
Not that time.
Rocky's having fun. Get Rock. Get Rock. Get Rock. Get Rock. Get Rock. Y'all don't know how to build a snowman. You got to roll it into a ball. You got to take a snowball and roll it and roll it and roll it until it gets bigger and bigger.
That's what them people were doing earlier. We're going to build it.
You're going to build it. They're going to build it a different way.
Bob the Builder this shit.
Stop.
Get a picture of this, send it to Pam, and put global warming.
Rock.
This is
You like the snow, Rocky? You like the snow? Do you? Huh?
I ain't never seen this before. First time.
See, I could tell you couldn't make a snow angel. You didn't know how.
Rocky, stop.
Rocky wants to build it too. Huh, Rock? Build a snowman, Rock. Oh! I got a camera in my hand. Rocky likes it, boy.
Bobby wants to come out. He's freaking out.
But he won't.
But he won't come down the stairs. Ah.
Mom, is this better?
Y'all gotta get the building.
I'm trying here.
Crazy how fluffy this stuff is.
Okay.
Get Rocky. Get Rocky. Get that snow. Get that piece of snow. Get it. Get that snowball. Get that. Get it.
He's missing half his head.
Get
Not
it.
his, the second part of his body.
Rocky's chasing snowballs and eating them.
He's trying to eat. Look.
Get that, Rocky. Get it. Get it, Rocky. Get that snow. Get that snowball.
Glove would be awesome.
It ain't round, y'all. Gotta make it round.
Look, I'm trying.
Pack it on the sides.
Rock a rooster.